It's not every day that a nationally recognized TV personality like Sunny Hostin finds herself in the middle of one of the most talked about celebrity trials of the year. But that's exactly where she is, sitting just feet away from Sean Diddy Combs in a New York courtroom. Hostin, a seasoned legal analyst and former federal prosecutor, has taken a front-row seat to one of the most controversial cases currently unfolding, a high-profile trial involving allegations of sex trafficking, coercion, and prostitution, all of which Combs has pleaded not guilty to following his arrest in Manhattan. And as if the gravity of the charges weren't enough, Hostin recently shared on her podcast Behind the Table that she believes the music mogul recognized her while she was observing the proceedings. "He was staring at me," she recalled, adding that she even had a brief encounter with Combs' mother in the bathroom. "I know him," she said. "He saw me. It was clear." But this isn't just a celebrity brushing shoulders with another in court. Hostin brings years of legal experience to her commentary. As a former law clerk and prosecutor, she's not there for gossip. She's there for insight. And from her perspective, this case is complex, messy, and unlike anything she's seen in recent courtroom drama. According to Hostin, both the prosecution and defense are stacked with top-tier legal talent. She even name-dropped some of the legal powerhouses involved, like Mark Agnifilo and Tenny Garagos, the daughter of famed attorney Mark Garagos. "You've got powerhouse folks in there," she said, calling the legal sparring some of the best lawyering she's witnessed. Still, despite all the courtroom brilliance, she admits the case could truly go either way. "It's such an odd case for people to get their minds around," she noted. What makes this case even more emotionally loaded is the presence of a significant moment from Combs' past, a video showing him physically assaulting singer Cassie Ventura in a hotel hallway back in 2016. That footage resurfaced during the trial, casting a long shadow over his defense, even though Combs has apologized and called his actions inexcusable. According to Hostin, Combs' legal team might lean into that narrative, not denying his problematic past but instead reframing him as a flawed, complicated individual. They may argue he's a domestic violence abuser, but he's not a sex trafficker, not a racketeer, and didn't transport anyone for prostitution, she explained. And Hostin believes that argument might resonate with some jurors, describing it as a pretty decent argument, under the circumstances. As she put it bluntly, this guy's a bad guy, but he's not that guy. Hostin's courtroom observations also highlighted some troubling dynamics within the jury itself. Noting that the panel was composed largely of men, she questioned how effectively they would grasp the emotional nuance in the testimonies, especially when it comes to understanding issues of consent. She posed a critical question many men on the jury might be silently asking themselves. How do I know someone is consenting then? It's that very uncertainty, she suggested, that could tilt the trial in unexpected ways. What's clear is that Sunny Hostin isn't just reporting from the sidelines. She's diving into this case with the analytical depth of someone who's been in the trenches of the legal world. Whether it's observing jury behavior, dissecting legal arguments, or recounting personal moments like Combs locking eyes with her in the courtroom, Hostin is offering more than just celebrity commentary. She's providing real legal context to a story that's as complicated as it is explosive. And as the trial continues to unfold, her insights may very well shape how the public understands one of the most high-stakes celebrity trials of the year.